What's happening, everybody? Dante here. I want to talk about the Google I/O event that happened a couple of days ago. And something that kind of caught my attention, but I wasn't really too excited about, was the Android TV. And the thing is, it's hard for me to get excited for something that's already kind of been out. Like, you keep giving us revamped versions of set-top boxes with different features. Like a while ago, there was the not Android, Amazon Fire TV with voice commands and things like that. Now, if you like those type of things when it comes to gestures and features and things like that, I definitely understand if you want to go with that route as far as voice command. But for me, it's like I really like when I use my Xbox One. I'm about to say 360. When I use my Xbox One and I use it to jump through apps, that's why I kind of like that feature. But I don't really even use my Xbox One that much now. But if you like voice command, I definitely recommend it. If you like those type of features and things like that, for me, it's kind of like, okay, I've seen it before, and it's not really offering you nothing you haven't had before. Hulu Plus, Netflix, Vudu, Amazon Instant Video, and all those type of other things that just every set-top box pretty much has these days. You got these Blu-ray players that have these set-top box features in them, like Hulu, Netflix, and all them other stuff. So you kind of get the benefits of both worlds instead of just getting a set-top box where you're just kind of limited to that box. But it's kind of also like the situation that happened with Google years ago when they did the Google TV, where it was pretty much what they're trying to do is what the Android TV would ultimately achieve with that one. What they wanted to do with the Google TV, but it just never materialized to what they wanted. They wanted the Google TV to become what Android TV is today, which they just fell short. Now that they have just a set-top box where it's just Android and all the apps and games and things that you can do with it, and plus other features that you can do with voice command, Google Now, and things like that, makes it more well designed as far what I would say as far as what the Google TV should have been years ago. Now the Google TV fell short because the processor was slow, it was clunky. I mean, the benefits of the one with the Blu-ray player, you got the Blu-ray player with it so you can go watch movies along with it, but it just fell short as far as the snappiness to it, the feature-wise. Certain apps wasn't with it, certain apps they took away, so it was just kind of a headache. Now with Android TV, like I said, this is what Google TV should have been. So if you like voice, gestures, and features, well, features, as a matter of fact, definitely, if you like those type of things, I definitely would go with it. But for me, it's hard for me to get excited for something that's kind of already been out already. So that's like if I got a set-top box with the Apple TV or a Roku, which Roku got like a boatload of channels. So it's like, what can you offer me that's so different? Now you could use your Android device or iOS device to control it, but pretty much every set-top box has a feature somewhat with that. With the Apple TV, you use the iPad or iPhone, but like the Roku, you can use iOS and Android. So it's one of those type of situations. Which one you prefer in the long run? For me, right now I got my Android Nexus 7. And I also got the Google Chromecast, which I really like that. I mean, just to pick something, throw it up on there, and let's just start watching. I just like that feature. That's just me. I don't need a set-top box. The Google Chromecast is perfect for me. You know, everybody's coming out with a set-top box where their devices coincide with one another, so they could just work seamlessly together. So every company is doing that in some form or fashion. So, but let me know in the comment section what you know about this Android TV. Does it excite you, or is it just another set-top box or thing that's just going to be something that's already been out, that's just redefined, that works better than what it did in previous years? Pretty much. Like I said, the Google TV, it was supposed to be that, where certain TV company and manufacturing companies are going to make TVs with this software in them, which is fine, you know, if you want that type of software in them, but we done seen this before, so it's just like, what new feature can you give us to get us all excited for? But hey, let me know in the comment section how you feel. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And hopefully you enjoy this one. Give us a thumbs up, and also helps out a lot. And if you want to see some more videos, also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video.